Hello, I'm Maarten Markhorst. I'm product manager at Technetix, and today I will present to you the XGT modular outdoor tap platform, our solution to DOCSIS 4 outdoor plans. To understand our new concept, it's really good to have a look at the legacy base of multitaps currently out there. You have a lot of different brands: the Regal, the SA, Motorola, Philips, Skyline, narrow and wide bodies. And all these different brands and types of housings have a two-way, a four-way, an eight-way faceplate. And all those faceplates have their own dB values. So for every type you have like 30 different SKUs which make up one type. And if you have multiple types across the network, which is very common, you can have between like 60, 150, maybe even 300 in an extreme case. 300 different SKUs only for multitaps. Our solution to this is to make the coupler and the splitter separately. So what we have done is we have taken the power passing capability and the coupling capability, so the dB value of the tap. We put it in a coupler module and we put the splitter functionality in the faceplate. So a two-way, a four-way or an eight-way splitter. This has a couple of advantages. So the faceplate can now be replaced without breaking the signals of RF and AC through the tap. So doing maintenance, for example, you can just swap the faceplate without causing any interruptions down the line. The coupler module, it can also be swapped if you want to have, for example, a different dB value of tap. Then you can just leave the faceplate and replace the coupler only. These are 1.8 gigahertz, so DOCSIS 4. We have made the backbox DOCSIS 4.1 ready, so that's 3 gigahertz for future upgrades of the faceplate. This is done by using a special connector, which is orientationless, so you can go either from the bottom and from the side. And you don't have to do the screw orientation on the back side. And it is a special design, so you have a clamping force on it, so you have low CPD and a very well RF performance on 3 gigahertz even. We have this small thing here is the signal conditioning plugin, which is in the faceplate, so you can add a cable simulator or a cable equalizer to the faceplate without breaking the through power and RF signals. So how can you save on inventory? In your legacy portfolio we just saw you have like 60 till 150 SKUs to maintain. Even after your deployment you need to maintain those SKUs to do maintenance and replacements. In the XGT platform you can, after mass deployment, you can go back to only 13 SKUs. So that's 9 coupler modules, that's 3 faceplates and 1 backbox. And from those 13 SKUs you can make all the combinations. So that's what you see here in the table. Each coupler module combined with a different faceplate gives you a different dB value of tap. So if you want a 20 dB tap on a 4-way faceplate, you got to use a 13 dB coupler module. This is the way the platform works. And this is how you can save on inventory management. Imagine that you can save on forecasting, you can save on stock levels in the distribution hubs, the technician's van, your main warehouse. You can basically cut down on SKUs all across the supply chain. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. I'm happy to give a separate, more detailed presentation.